Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing fabulous today. Today's video is sponsored by Premier Lace Wigs, so I'll be installing and reviewing this wig for you. Before I get into it, remember leave a like on the video, and if you're new over here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So I did get a wig cap in the package, which I'll be placing on my head before I begin the installation process. And this is the unit, guys. It is their curly unit. It's a tight curl Indian Remy human hair wig. So this is what the hairline is looking like. It's a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It's pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked, and it's also pre-parted in the center. This is what the lace is looking like, and the parting space, it's looking really natural so far. So I do love the really tiny small knots that will help with the lace looking really natural once I place it on my head. The unit does also have a removable band that you can place on the head to secure the wig, guys. So let's just get right into this installation process. Of course, I will be leaving all the links you will need for their website and the direct link to this unit in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out. It did come pre-parted in the center, but as you can see here, you can definitely switch your parting space up. You can do a side part, and it's a really nice deep parting, but you know your girl is a center part queen, so I'm going to keep the center part and begin laying down the lace of this unit, guys. So now it's time for me to lay down the lace and begin the melting process. This lace, guys, is a super thin, transparent HD lace. So it should be looking nice and melted once I'm done. Once I got through with the melting process, I realized that I think the wig is a little bit too far down on my forehead, so I'm going to just part out some sections in the front just like this, and I'm going to cut all of that off so that I'm not taking up too much of my forehead. If you have a larger forehead, then if you know, sometimes it will be tempting to cover all that forehead up, but I do want the lace to look as natural as possible. So I'm going ahead and I'm cutting all that extra lace off and those hairs, and this is what I'm left with. I think that looks much more natural. Because I went ahead and did that blunt cut into the hairline, I need to also pluck that out so that the hairline can look nice and it can be transitional and look more natural. So I'm just plucking away, guys, and then this is what I'm left with. I'm pleased with it. I think this looks really good, so I'm going to continue on with the melting process. So as the lace is drying down and getting melted, I just leave that tied down, and now I'm going to work on the hair itself. These curls, I want them to pop. I want to bring them to life. So that is the goal. I'm going to be spraying some water on the unit. I have this spray bottle, it's just water inside of it. And then I am adding in some mousse to the unit, guys. And as you can see, the curls are slowly coming to life. They are so hydrated, looking so moisturized, and you're seeing that volume. The length of the hair, it's lengthening and it's just coming together really nicely. So I'm going to comb through the unit. Once I comb it through, this helps to get the product evenly distributed in the unit. And let's go ahead and add a little more mousse until I get the desired look that I'm going for. I'm not going for a wet look, I'm going for a voluminous look, but I want to make sure the curls are as hydrated as I can possibly get them. So I did go ahead and add a little bit more water, and then I'm just sectioning the hair and put in basically some large twists in it. I like to allow the hair to dry down as I work on the other section. The same process, water, mousse, and repeat as needed. Okay, so while the hair is drying down in these twists, I'm going to be working on the hairline. I want to add some baby hairs to the unit, but right here you can see how good the hairline is already looking. So baby hair is definitely optional, but for me with curly hair, I just think it looks so good with a little bit of baby hair. Nothing too extra, just really simple swoops. So I'm going to go ahead and add those in, guys. And the final step is to define this parting space with some concealer, and that's it for the installation process, guys. This is the finished look, guys, and let's talk about this lace. As you can see, it has melted so effortlessly into my skin. It looks like the hair is growing from my scalp, and that is what you want to accomplish with your wigs. So the transparent HD lace is definitely a winner. I do love the curls. They're bouncy, voluminous, and just so full of life. The link to the unit is in the description of this video, so please go ahead and check that out. Again, it's just some gorgeous curls. So thank you so much to Premier Lace Wigs for sending this over. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.